I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na. And I wondered how you always...
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Katie. I just got in my car because we're actually about to go head to Home Goods, Target. I might stop by Hobby Lobby, but we're gonna be shopping for fall decor today and I'm very excited for it. This morning was such a good morning. Sorry if the AC is loud. It is still a little toasty in my garage, but today has been such a good day so far. I woke up super early this morning. I had a 5 a.m. morning. I made some breakfast. I made my new favorite fall coffee. I worked out. I just did some 3:30 this morning. Then I got ready, got some work done, filmed a reel. I filmed like a little OOTD over on Instagram. I'm doing a fun little Instagram series. It's like 30 fall transition outfit ideas. So if you guys are needing some outfit inspo on like what to wear from going from like the summer to the fall, this would be a great series for you guys if you aren't already following me on Instagram. So I filmed and posted that, and then that's pretty much everything that I've done up until now. So like I said, we're gonna go fall decor shopping. I don't want to get a ton of stuff just because I feel like with fall you don't need a ton of stuff to decorate, or at least in my opinion. I do want to keep it like a little bit more minimalistic, and I also don't want to spend a ton of money. But I wasn't able to get my fall decor last year, if you guys remember, if you guys have been following me since then, because I went fall decor shopping after like the fall season like actually started, like after the first official day of fall, and there was nothing left. Like all the decor was gone. The only stuff left I think was like black and white and purple Halloween decorations, which I didn't want to put in my house. You guys know I like my neutrals. This year we're gonna go early. It might not even technically be fall yet, but I want to go ahead and see if I can find some good stuff before it's all gone. So that's kind of the game plan. It's about 1 p.m. right now. I want to try to go to a few different stores, and then obviously I'll show you guys like everything that I get whenever I get home. I'm very excited. Anyways, I'm rambling at this point. Oh, I also just remembered that I wanted to go to Kirkland's because I saw on TikTok someone got these really cute like cream pumpkin mugs, and I thought that those would just be so cute. So I might also stop by, maybe we'll go to Kirkland's first. I don't know, we're gonna try to go to Kirkland's, Target, Home Goods, and then maybe Hobby Lobby or something if we're not able to really like find anything at the other stores. But let's go ahead and go shop for some fall decor. Hello.
Before, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Doing well, love. It is gonna ask any big plans for the night. What you got going on?
Going fall decor shopping.
Okay, love that.
Yeah.
Love that. That's all right. We launched pumpkin around.
Yeah.
So it's like we are just
very on time. There we go. Thank you. You too. Okay, got my coffee. I just got a grande toasted vanilla oat milk shake and espresso. I got a decaf. I think these normally have like 3 or 4 shots in it, and I've been trying to do like max 1 shot a day, and I already had my 1 shot earlier. So we just went with decaf, but that was my coffee order in case anyone was wondering.
Story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running. Door won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let.
Okay, just got home. Thought we could do a little haul of everything that I got. I ended up going to Target, and then I went to Home Goods and Kirkland's. I've never actually been in Kirkland's to really shop for anything. I think I went in like once for Christmas like 5 years ago, but I've never been in for their fall decor, and I was actually very pleasantly surprised at everything that they had. I didn't get a ton from there because I already got a lot from Target, which is where I went first, but I found a bunch of cute stuff. So I'll show you guys everything that I got from Target first. Hi Harper, you coming to say hi to the video? Hi, sweet girl. Yes. I'm sorry I didn't get anything for you this time. I'm sorry. Next time I'll make sure to get something for you though. Should have stopped and got you a treat or something. What is this? This isn't a toy. This is actually a decoration. I know it's soft like a toy, but these are actually not toys, so please don't eat them off my coffee table, okay? Okay, so I got these two, hi Harper. I got these two cute little Sherpa pumpkins. They were actually in the little $3 section, like when you very first walk in. They also had a ton of different colors if you guys didn't want like just a white and neutral colors. They have like things, some like reds, greens, like you guys saw the video, but I got a big one and then I got this little small one. I thought these would be cute to put together. So the big one was $3 and then the little one was only $1. And I just think that they're so cute. I also really kind of have been wanting to add in some like pops of tan to my house because right now I feel like it's kind of, it's not super cozy to me. Like normally I'll have like flowers or something during the summer, but I feel like right now it's just very like cool and like black and white and gray. So I almost want to start adding in some like cozier tones to it. I don't think I'm gonna add in anything that's not like a neutral color, but I do feel like I kind of want to start adding in like little tiny touches of like a warm cozy beige or tan. So anyways, I thought that this would be a good place to start because I thought that these were just so cute. So I grabbed those. I also got this cute little tiny pumpkin candle. It was only $3, so I thought it would just be a cute little decoration somewhere. So grabbed that. I also got this really cool taper candle holder. I thought this would be cool to maybe put either somewhere on my coffee table if I kind of wanted to rearrange stuff there, or this could be cool on the kitchen table or like in the bedroom on the dresser or on our entryway. There's just so many different places. I kind of got a lot of different things and I don't know where / how I'm gonna use them yet, and then if there's anything left over that I ended up just not using, I'll probably just return. But I thought this was just a super cool, unique little candle holder. I really like it. I think we have some leftover candles that we got from Valentine's Day when we did like a little cute Valentine's Day dinner at home, so I feel like that would just be so cute to put on the table. Okay, and then I also got this big cozy throw blanket. This one is by Threshold and it is so soft. I really like that it's knitted. I think I only have one knitted blanket, but it's more of like a kind of scratchy feel. Like it's not like this super soft like plush material. So I thought I would just grab another one of these. These are always super nice to have in like blanket baskets in the living room, and I feel like the knitted texture just adds a whole another level of coziness to your house. I'll try to find everything that I'm showing you guys and link it down below if I can, in case you guys want to grab anything and it's not in stock at your local Target. But got this blanket. Next thing that I got is this giant black vase, and it kind of has, I don't know if you guys can kind of see that texture, but it has a like ribbed texture on it. I don't know, I just really like this. I have no idea, oh it echoes. I have no idea where this is gonna go, but I do really like it. It was only $30 and it's really good quality, nice and sturdy. I don't know, we'll see where we end up putting this, but it's super cool. I don't know if it would fit on like one of these shelves maybe. I don't know, we'll figure that out. But I grabbed this just for some like different textures in the house. And then the last thing that I grabbed from Target is this vase. I just really like the shape of it. I feel like this would be really pretty to put like some pampas grass in. I was looking at Target to see if they had any, and they had some like faux pampas grass, but it was way too tall. I put it in here and it was like up to here, so it just didn't look good. So I might order some off of Amazon, or maybe like a different day go to a different store and see if they had any. Maybe like Hobby Lobby would. I was kind of running out of time and it was getting to be rush hour, so I didn't want to like go drive all over the place and get stuck in traffic for hours. But I've been wanting a vase like this for quite a while now, even like during like the summer or the springtime. I think that like baby's breath would look so beautiful in this. So I grabbed this vase. And then from Home Goods for like fall decor, I really only got one thing. I got some picture frames, but they only had 2 sets of 3, and I needed a 3 set because I wanted to do like, instead of these pictures right here, I wanted to put like 4 square frames. So I don't know if I'm gonna return those and maybe order some online, because I was gonna try to find another set. They come in like a set of 3, which makes it 6, but I need 8 for this. So they didn't have a 3rd set of those 3 frames. So I was gonna see if I could go to like a different Home Goods and see if we could find one. So anyways, I don't know if I'm keeping those, but I did grab those. But fall decor related, I grabbed this cute little ceramic, or is it porcelain? I don't know what material it is, but it's this cute little pumpkin. I don't know, I love it. I think it's so fun, and it was only $6, which is a steal in my opinion. So I thought that would be really cute just to put somewhere. I could probably put this like somewhere in the kitchen, maybe put some like books underneath it, or I don't know, something like that. We'll figure that out. But grabbed a little pumpkin. And then the last stuff I grabbed was from Kirkland's. Kirkland's had so much in there. I walked in there and I was like, it looks like fall threw up in here. but in a good way. Like there's just so much decor in there. You guys probably saw the little clips, but they had mirrors that looked just like the, is it the Restoration? No, it's the Anthropologie, like the big gold mirrors. They had several of those in different sizes. They had some in black and gold, and they just had a ton of different fall decor, regardless of like what your style is. If you like the neutrals or if you like pops of color, oranges, earthy tones, they had literally something for everyone in there. So I was like, oh, I feel like I already got quite a bit of stuff and I didn't want to spend like a ton of money on fall decor just because I wanted little simple touches. So I don't want to go overboard, so I only stuck with a few things, but I love the few things that I got. So first thing I got isn't necessarily fall decor, but I'll show you guys. They were having a huge sale on all their stuff, and as soon as I walked in, a nice lady offered me like a 25% off sale coupon. So I was like, oh, that's awesome. So I found these cute little, these have nothing to do with fall, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways. These little like berry colander dishes, but they're like the ceramic ones, kind of like the CB2 ones, and I've been looking for some of these for a really long time because CB2 was sold out forever. So I was super excited to find these. It's like a big one and a little small one, and it was on sale for 15 minus 25% off of that, so whatever that is, I'm not good at math. But I was super excited to find those, so I grabbed some of those. And then this is what I actually went there for, because when I was watching TikToks of like other people shopping for fall decor, someone else went to Kirkland's and found the cutest little pumpkin dishes. I just got one of the mugs. It was $10, and it has little like speckles on it, and I just think it is so adorable. I don't know, it's like the perfect little fall mug. They also had matching bowls and plates and little serving platters. It was a whole adorable collection. I figured I would just get one for now. I can always go back and get more later, but I was so excited to find these because that's what I wanted to go there for, and I don't know, I love it. I think it's so cute. I'm so excited to actually be able to start like drinking like hot coffee again. I haven't had hot coffee in so long, and have like a nice little latte at home. So anyways, all of the cozy vibes. I'm very happy with everything that I found. Okay, I just started making some dinner. I just took some of my favorite pasta sauce and then some of this vegan Kite Hill ricotta and mixed them together, and then I threw in a few fresh basil leaves from my garden, and oh my gosh, I just tried the sauce. It is so, so good. And then I have my protein pasta over here cooking, so I'm just gonna throw it all together. Okay, just tasted it, and this is an absolute 11 out of 10 recipe. It is so easy and so simple. Super high protein because of the ricotta and the protein pasta, and this pasta sauce is my absolute favorite. If you've never tried them, it's definitely so worth it. I really like this one because it is a little spicy, so mixed with the ricotta, it's just a nice little, like, it gives a little kick to it, but it's still nice and creamy. So if you guys are looking for a really nice, yummy, warm, cozy meal that is super simple, definitely like a lazy girl dinner, but so delicious, please try this and let me know what you guys think. All right, you guys, I'm gonna end the night with some Gilmore Girls. This is one of my absolute favorite shows. I love watching it every fall. It just gets me in the mood. I'm gonna be decorating for fall in another video coming up, so make sure that you guys stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my evening. But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it.